OneTouch Verio Reflect meter. Getting started. This video doesn't replace your owner's booklet. Before using the OneTouch Verio Reflect meter to test your blood glucose, carefully read the owner's booklet and inserts that come with the components of the system. Setting up your OneTouch Verio Reflect meter. In your OneTouch Verio Reflect kit, there is the meter itself, the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device, and a pack of OneTouch Delica Plus lancets. The OneTouch Verio Reflect meter uses OneTouch Verio test strips and control solutions, which are available separately. If any item is missing or defective, contact customer service. Getting to know your system. The meter features a display backlight for better visibility, a battery icon that appears when batteries are low, a color bar and range indicator icon, a push-button panel for screen navigation, and a micro USB data port. The meter is also designed to work with the OneTouch Reveal mobile app. To turn your meter on, press and hold the OK button until the welcome screen appears. Once the welcome screen is displayed, release the OK button. You can also turn the meter on by inserting a test strip. Before using your meter for the first time, you will be prompted to set the language, time, date, range limits, daily test goal, and 90-day average target. The meter comes preset to help you with first-time setup. If you need to edit a setting, press the up arrow or down arrow to highlight Edit and press OK. You can then press the up or down buttons to change values. After you make your selection, highlight Save and press OK to confirm your selection and proceed to the next screen. First, select the language by using the up and down buttons to select your choice and pressing OK to confirm. Your OneTouch Verio Reflect meter is designed to connect with the OneTouch Reveal mobile app. The meter will display a prompt giving you the option to complete first-time setup using the OneTouch Reveal app. If you do not want this option, highlight No and press OK to continue first-time setup using only the meter. To proceed with setup, your meter displays time and date set screens. Using the up and down buttons, confirm or edit the preset data. Then press OK to save. Time and date format cannot be changed. Your meter uses the before meal and after meal range limits to tell when a test result is within, below, or above your mealtime range limits. The mealtime range limits you set during first-time setup will apply to all glucose results. The test tracker lets you set the number of glucose tests you plan to take each day and automatically tracks progress towards achieving that goal. The meter is preset with a daily test goal of 4 tests per day. The maximum daily test goal is 8. The meter averages results over the past 90 days to provide a view of the overall trend of blood glucose results. Trend 90 lets you set your blood glucose 90-day average target and tracks progress towards that goal. Talk to your healthcare professional to determine the 90-day average target that is right for you. When setting daily test goals and 90-day average target, use the up and down buttons to confirm or edit preset data and press OK to save. Well done! Setup is now complete and your meter is ready for use. There are 2 ways to turn your meter off. 1. Press and hold the OK button for several seconds until the meter turns off. 2. Your meter will turn off by itself if left alone for 2 minutes. Register your OneTouch Verio Reflect meter today at onetouch.ca for customer service support and important product updates. OneTouch. Every touch is a step forward.